Hello student, welcome once again in our standard 8 mathematics chapter number 12 exponent and powers. In student, this lesson we should have to learn about the exponents and power and make the solution of exercise 12.1 and 12.2. Before starting our today's sessions, we are ready with our stationaries. And starting before lesson, we should have to do our silent prayer and a little physical exercise. My dear student, this lesson is very important for you because you already studied regarding the squares and cubes. Squares and cubes are the numbers which are multiplied with the base and exponents. Like that way only here, that is a basic thing of squares and cubes. If you are knowing, you will learn very easily. Let's do silent prayer for a while. Okay, thank you beta. So here is the exercise number 12.1, class 8, chapter number 12, mathematics, exponents and powers. Student, look at here. What is the first question is saying to us? It is saying to us, evaluate first 3 raised to minus 2. Students, up to here you don't know about the minus exponent, but minus exponent is nothing but is the division. So you have to put the exponent in negative way, isn't it? See, once again I am taking it. You can check it how it came here. Yes, my dear student, you can find out that 3 raised to minus 2 is written as 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Isn't it? Correct. So can we write like that way? 1 as it is and 3 into 3. 3 into 3. That means that this is the base and this is the exponent. Isn't it better? You already studied in last year, and once again I remind you, down number is saying the base, and whatever the number written on the top side, it is called the exponent or power. So base is repeated number of times according to its exponents. So here 3 has to multiplied 2 times, and we are knowing 3 3s are, yes student, yes, very good, 9. So answer is 1 upon 9. Isn't it? Clear? Okay. Look at the second one. How it came? Because of the rule, this one. Because of, that means because of a raised to minus m. This rule already studied. Is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. Base is a and m is the exponent. Is it clear? Yes, my dear student, you are right. It is very clearly written that one, and you should have to specify also. If you are trying to specifying these things, will help you in further examples also. Look at here, second one beta. Second one is nothing, minus 4 raised to minus 2. Isn't it? Why not? Here number is base is also minus and exponent is also minus. First of all, make the exponent as a positive. That means 1 upon minus 4 raised to 2. Isn't it? Correct. Now we are knowing minus 4 into minus 4. What will be the answer? 16. Minus minus plus. Third one, 1 upon 2 raised to minus 5. What to do here? Nothing to do beta. Make the 1 upon 2 is the 2 upon 1. Yes, vice versa. Isn't it? Correct. And 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times will give you a 32. Question number 2. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. Student, here they ask us how to write this all the examples 1 to 5 in a positive way. Okay, look at here first one. Minus 4 raised to 5 is divided by minus 4 raised to 8. Isn't it? Okay. Now what will be here? minus 4 is the common one, isn't it? See, minus 4 base, here also minus 4. Division method, whenever the two numbers are division, here base are common, M and N. Whenever Mn is there, we can put M minus N. That means 5 minus 8. See, so many students still now confused. 5 minus 8 not possible. But student, one number is positive, one number is negative. So you should have to subtract it from big number to small number. And at last, give the sign as a big number. So 8 minus 5 will be give 3. But 8 is the bigger number than 5. So put the minus value because 8 has the minus value. So here answer of this one is minus 4 raised to minus 3. Isn't it? And we are knowing. What the meaning of this one, student? Yes, correct. Minus 4 raised to minus 3. Yes, in previous example we already did. That means 1 upon minus 4 raised to 3. Yes, reciprocal. Yes, you are right, my dear student. Reciprocal. रेसिप्रोकल ले लेने का, उल्टा कर देने का, बराबर बेटा, जैसे 32 का उल्टा पुल्टा कर दिया था. गुड, वेरी सिंपल वे इट इज रिटर्न बिकॉज हियर सेकंड टाइम ऑल्सो सेड अंडे का फंडा. इफ यू हैव टू राइट दिस वन क्लियरली, दैट मीन्स यू आर नेवर लूजिंग योर मार्क्स. इजी. लुक एट हियर फॉर द आंसर्स. ओके, सो minus 4 raised to minus 3 will give you a 1 upon minus 4 raised to 3. Isn't it? And on the right side, you have to show why this action is taken place. Because of this action, only the answer is coming. Isn't it? Yes, my dear student, you are right. Because of this only, this thing is possible. Clear? Anyone has doubt regarding this one now? I hope so. You got the clear idea regarding first example, or you can see this one divide. You can write in this way also, minus 4 raised to 5 upon minus 4 raised to 8. Isn't it? And take the base common, minus 4 raised to minus 8. Okay? Very good, student. Here you can check out why these things is coming. See the question number 2. Okay, my dear student, see the second one also, same way. 1 upon 2 raised to 8, 2 raised to 3, all raised to 2. We are knowing, students, 1 raised to 2 and downside 2 raised to 3 raised to 2. It is a exponent के ऊपर exponent आ गया बेटा, power. Isn't it? So 2 raised to 3 is equal to 6. Correct. Now look at the third one. Minus 3 raised to 4 multiplied by 5 upon 3 raised to 4. What we have to do here, according to our rule, if two numbers are there, A and B, it is having the 1 raised to, we'll have the both one numerator and denominator, same exponent, isn't it? As well as A into B will give you A raised to M and B raised to M. According to this one, both are numbers same, not but their exponents are same. Can we write this both one together, beta? Why not? Minus 1 and minus 3, that are the not same, but minus 1 into 3, that gives a minus 3. And same number is here, 4, it is a plus, so 3 raised to 4 minus 4, divide by both one divided division, and we take it together, why not? And 5 raised to 4. Whenever 3 raised to 4 minus 4 will give you a 0. And whenever any number is 0 as an exponent, that number will become a 1. Is he or not? Yes, because 3 raised to 4 upon 3 raised to 4. Cut it. Isn't it? All 4, 3 cuts together. So final answer will be 5 raised to 4. 1 into 5 raised to 4 gives me a 5 raised to 4. Fourth question. 3 raised to minus 7 is divided 3 raised to minus 10 multiplied with 3 raised to minus 5. Very simple, beta. One time division, that means a 2 time minus, minus 7 minus minus 10 and multiplied by 3 raised to minus 5. Yes, minus minus plus, minus 7 plus 10, that gives me a 3. 3 minus 5 will give me a 2. So 3 raised to minus 2. Why 3 raised to minus 2? because 3 and minus 5 is that answer 3 raised to minus 2, and 3 raised to minus 2 gives the 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Fifth one, 2 raised to minus 3 is multiplied with 7 raised to minus 3. Both the numbers are different, but their exponents are same. Can we write together 2 into 7 raised to 3? Yes, in the denominator way, downside. So 2 into minus 7 will give me a minus 14. Isn't it? Okay. Look at the question number 3. Find the value of 3 raised to 0 multiplied by 2 raised to minus 2. Let's check. Because of any number having the exponent is 0 will become a 1. Isn't it? So this number will become a 1. Okay. What about this one? 4 raised to minus 1. Student, 4 raised to minus 1, that gives me a 1 upon 4 raised to 1. Here it will become a plus because it's in the downside as a denominator. And whatever the next number, same one. Now take the LCM for this one. 4 is the LCM. 4 plus 1 will give me a 5 upon 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 2. Okay, in the place of 4, can I write 2 raised to 2 beta? Why? 2 2s are 4. Both things are right. Yes. So now this will be cut directly, or you can say 2 raised to 2 minus 2. Answer will be 2 minus 2. That gives me a 0. And just now we discussed number of time. According to our rule, fifth rule, any number has two exponents 0 will become a 1. Okay. So 5 into 2 raised to 0 will give me a 5 into 1, and final answer is 5. Okay. Here its a rule is written. Okay, beta? Correct. You are right, my dear student. That is a right one. Easy? Let's check the other answers also. Question number 2 already over. Now question number 3 we were discussing. We are discussing third one, beta. Yes, my dear student, you are right. The second one also over. Third one also going to start. But keep it in your mind, what the rules you are using, you should have to follow the same one. Isn't it here, beta? See, by mistake I did wrong thing. That's why it was revision. Clear? 2 raised to minus 1 multiplied by 4 raised to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. That is our question. And here on the right side, ande ka fanda, you should have to write every time. If you are writing and put the practice to write these things, will help you to solve all kinds of problems. Sometimes you are thinking it's a useless, but beta, because of this one only you will learn this type of sums very easily. See, the questions are here. 1 upon 2 raised to 1 multiplied by 1 upon 4 raised to 1 is divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Okay, my dear student, you are knowing very well what you have to do. Simplified, that answer is 1 upon 2 raised to 3 is divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Altogether, at last you will get 2 raised to minus 1, and 2 raised to minus 2 will give you a 1 upon 2. Isn't it? In place of 2 raised to minus 1, you should have to write 1 upon 2. Same way, third question. Here is the fraction types numbers are given and division. Don't afraid, students. You are knowing very well. What you should have to do now? Nothing. What are the exponents? You have to say here is the 1, 1, 1. As nothing given, that means 1. And according to the question, 1 upon 2 is nothing but minus 1 as an exponent. 2 raised to minus 1 as an exponent. 3 raised to minus 1, 4 raised to minus 1. Now multiplied both numbers, this one and this one. Is it? You should have to multiply these both numbers. Exponents. Yes, correct. Now minus 1 into minus 2 will give me a 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 will give me a 2. And minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to give me a 2. So 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 4 raised to 2. Multiplied not, but a plus sign is given. Sorry, by mistake is there because here plus sign is given. Isn't it? Correct. So you can check out what are the numbers. Is it? Okay. Now look at the second one. Second one is also so easy, beta. How to write this one? Second one. Second one is nothing but you should have to put the value 2 raised to minus 1 is multiplied with 4 raised to minus 1 and divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Clear? Yes, my dear student, you are right. It is right clearly written 1 upon 2 raised to 1 multiplied by 1 raised to 4 upon 1. Yes. At last you will get 1 upon 2. Second one also same one here 2 plus 3 plus 4 and raised to's are given. Once again you follow the undeka funda, right side is written. Yes, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. All together will give you a 29. Easy. Or there is a second method is also there. All are having minus 2. That means you can plus everyone. Yes, 2 plus 3 plus 4. LCM is there. And check out. Yes, these all are the 12. So make it LCM and find the answer. You will learn these types of method in higher classes. Means 9 and 10 standard. Mathematics answers are coming in different methods. But answer remain always one only. Unique answer is there. Yes, very good student. These two rules are there. A raised to minus m will give you a 1 upon a raised to m. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. Fifth one. Minus 2 upon 3 raised to minus 2 and 2. Minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 into 2 will give me a minus 4. 81 upon 16. Question number 4. 8 raised to minus 1 multiplied by 5 raised to 3 upon 2 raised to minus 4. Correct. 5 raised to minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to minus 1 multiplied by 6 raised to minus 1. My dear student, here is the answer where you can find it very easily what the rule are there. See the denominator 2 raised to minus 4 is given and as the numerator 8 is given. In place of 8 can we write 2 raised to 3? Sure. Correct. And then after you just simplified, your answer is 250. Second one also with the same way is multiplied 5 raised to 1, that's a 1 upon 5 like that way. Question number 5, find the value of m for which 5 raised to m is divided by 5 raised to 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. In place of m, what will be the answer? You should have to check out. Yes, you can say m plus 3 is equal to 5. So m plus 3 is equal to 5, that means yes, m is equal to 5. If it is m is equal to 5 and then after plus 3, no, but here m is equal to 2. Is it? Same way you can use for that one. Now question number 6, 1 upon 3 raised to minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 raised to minus 1 raised to minus 1. All together, yes, curly bracket is there. Where we are using the curly bracket when two numbers are there inside the brackets and it is having the small bracket also. That's a minus 1. Look at the second one, 512 divided by 125. You are using the rule, you should have to specify on the right side undeka funda. Isn't it? Clear. So we are having this type of things 5 and 8 both are the separate one. But you can do it as a plus or minus. When the numbers are divided, it's a minus. When numbers are in multiplied, it's a add up. Exponents add up. 8 raised to something. Yes, question number 7. 25 into 2 raised to minus 4 upon 5 raised to minus 3 multiplied by 10 multiplied by t raised to minus 8. Beta, this is the form of p upon q. Yes, in place of 25, can we write 5 raised to 2? Why not? 25 की जगह पे मैंने लिख दिया 5 raised to 2 or whatever the things are there, and this 10 is equal to yes 5 into 2. Is it? Correct. So now 5 is the base are there. Here is base. Here is base. Now combine it. This one 3 and minus 2 minus 1. Isn't it? Clear. So at last you are having 5 raised to 4 multiplied by t raised to 4 divided by 2. In place of 5 raised to 4. We can write 5 4s are 25, 25 is 125, 125 is 1, 625. And whatever the things you can write as it is. Look at the second one. It's a little bit different one, but can you simplify? 10 is not a prime number and 125 is also not a prime number. So notify all the numbers as a prime numbers exponent. You have to do nothing, or it's get the minimum form. Yes, PM, prime number. Is it correct? Check out what I did. Yes, 5 raised to minus 2 minus 7 minus minus plus. That's why here is the 5. And 5 minus 5, this gives us 0. 3 raised to 0 plus, sorry, multiply by 2 raised to 0, multiply by 5 raised to 5. That means 1 into 1, multiply by 5 raised to. Here we end up our exercise. And I have so, you already studied these things very clearly. And here is the exercise number 12.2. We will move a little fast. Yes, correct. Express the following numbers in standard form. Oh, so many zeros are there. If you are counting and writing, there is a 100% chance to make a mistake. To avoid these types of mistakes, we use the power forms, or say the exponents form. Just write down the one number before decimal point, and after decimal point 1 or 2 numbers, then after multiplied that zeros or whatever big number as a 10 raised to something. Here when you are moving your decimal point on the right side, this is, or you have to move on the left side also. Sometimes we are moving on right side and sometimes we are moving on left side also. So here we are moving on the right side, will gives me a minus numbers. So how many steps I jumped? You should have to count it. Isn't it? A 12 jump I counted. So 10 raised to minus 12. Isn't it? So here it should be minus 12 or minus 13. 13 is there. But when I put it here in the 13th place, I will make it a 12. 85 multiplied by 10 raised to 13 is correct. But minus 13, sorry. So I will put my decimal point is after 5. But I want to make it after 8. So now 8.5 will gives me a minus 12. एक उसमें से कम कर दिया है, इधर तक जाने का है. Isn't it? Correct. Now carry on. Second one also you can check out one by one. Yes. How many zeros you can make the groups and tell it very fast. Yes, 12 and 12 is to 12. Here is also 12 and here is also 12. That both one are removed. What will be the answer now? 10 raised to minus 12. 8.5 divided by 10 raised to 12 and divide by, we are knowing what we are writing there as a minus exponent. Clear? Look at the second one. Oh, so many zeros are there. Just count and point it. Point is now here. This point has to jump to here after 9. How many jumps it did? 12. Count it. How many zeros are there or jumping? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Is it? Yes, my dear student. So 9.42 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 12. Is it? Correct. Look at the third one, or you can draw yourself also. Okay, I remove this one. Third one is also there. 6.2. Now is the main thing. My decimal point is lying here after the 0. My decimal point is lying here after the 0. Is it? So now this point has to move on left side. When you are moving on left side, how many jumps you are making? That will come as a positive sign. Is it? Yes. When you are moving on right side, the exponent is showing with the negative number. So 3.186 multiplied by 10 raised to 10. Correct. Next one, question number 2. Express the following numbers in usual form. 3.02 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6. Now my decimal place is lying after 3 and before 0. Is it or not? And we can write 3.02 divided by 10 raised to 6, and 10 raised to 6 means 10, and after 6 0, 10 lakh. Yes, so how many zeros I have to put before the 3? Yes, the decimal place is to jump 6 steps. How many steps it has to jump? 6 steps. That means my number was here 3.02. Is it clear? Now 10 raised to 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jumping 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is it here? So count it. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros are there. And 302. Same way, it's a 4.5 multiplied by 10 raised to 4 will gives me a 4.5 multiplied by 10 raised to 4. That means a 10,000. Is it it? So 45 is there and 1 0 we can cut 4 point. Is it it? Okay, so 45,000. Third one, 3 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 8. 8 matlab hai student 7 zeros it has to move. 0.000003. Is it it? Yes. Last one but not least, fourth one I am explaining. 1.001 multiplied by 10 raised to 9. तो उसको आगे राइट साइड पे देने का बेटा. सो राइट साइड पे 9 जंप लगाने का है. तो 4 already it is there and after we add the 5 more zeros. Okay, correct. Last answer of fifth one. Last but not least, इसके बाद एक 6 है. 6 का भी आपको मिल गया बेटा. 6 steps राइट साइड पे जाने का. तो ऑटोमेटिकली 3 plus 2. Yes, one more zero you have to add after the number. And after the number, if you are not specifying decimal point, that means understanding situation, decimal place is lying at the last number. Yes, question number 3. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 10 raised to 6. Is it right? Yes, it is right only. So 1 into 1 upon 10 raised to 6, or you can say 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Charge of an electron. If you are studying the science, these types of numbers you have to remember. 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Size of bacteria. Bacteria की size कितनी होती है बेटा? तो 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. Correct. Perfect. Size of the plant cell is this much meter. 1.275 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5 meter only. Sixth one. What will be the coming over here? Yes, my dear student, it's a 1.275 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5 meter. Thickness of thick paper. आपका पास पेपर है, उसकी thickness कितनी दिखाते हैं? 0.07 millimeter. Question 4. In a stack there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 millimeter, and 5 paper sheets, each thickness 0.016 millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stack? एक के ऊपर एक लग दिया बेटा. Thickness of 1 book की कितनी है? इतनी. Thickness of 5 की कितनी है? Multiply by 100 millimeter. Thickness of 1 paper कितनी है? इतनी है. Thickness of 5 paper कितनी होगी? 0.08 millimeter. Total thickness of a stack कितनी होगी बेटा? 100 plus 0.08. Can we write like that? Say 100.08 and 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 2. Why it is 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 2? After the decimal point, there is a 2 numbers. That's why it is a 2. Is it it? Okay. Now can we write here 1 point something? Yes. Why not? Here we end up our exercise. And thank you once again. Stay at home. Be careful. Complete your fair book, notebook, regular homework, and prepare for your test, because now tests are coming. So you should have to give different types of test. Write all example of the textbook also. Okay, if you are not having the second semester textbook, download it, or if you are having, it's a very good. So here once again I am telling you to all, thank you. Stay at home, be careful, and complete your not books. Bye bye. Thank you.